What's up, guys? This is Gabe from S&P Speed Innovations, and we've got our Tacoma back, our street taco. So we are Desert Center, California, on our way back in town from picking up this lovely beast from San Diego. Let's flip this camera around so we can see what's going on here. All right, so what we got here, I love my truck, is our 95 Toyota Tacoma. So this is our shop truck we picked up a while back. We've been doing some videos, some episodes of the engine build, mild engine build, turbo, all the good stuff, all of our goodies externally, but internally doing a stock engine build. We didn't plan on putting a roll cage in it, but we had an opportunity, so we just went for it. So we took the truck over to Brad White over at Auto Power over there and had him design a kit. And here it is. This is the kit. So 1 3/4 inch, 120 wall, mild steel. We've got the all the support, everything coming across. We have the main hoop, the front halo, the 2 down bars, and then we have the 2 radius bars here. They're not welded in because we still want to work on the truck and do the interior stuff. So we're gonna put all the stock interior back in it. We're gonna have the air conditioning going, we're power steering, blinkers, all the lights, everything's gonna work good. We do have an IC7 dash in the shop, and we also have a dash mount, one of the Mako dash mounts from Australia. It's actually coming in here pretty soon, I believe. It's gonna be exciting to get that product in. We get that product in, we can market that, put that on the website as well. But full complete roll cage, you got to weld it in yourself with the gussets and everything, and the floor mounts. And this kit sells for right around $1,100 plus shipping. We'll have it on the website here shortly. And that's it. Keep you posted. Thank you.